Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create bet on Polymarket. You ever open Polymarket and suddenly feel like you've become a financial analyst overnight? Like, wait, am I predicting the future now? It's actually way simpler than it sounds. Once I log into my account and make sure I've got funds ready, I just scroll through the trending markets. There's always something interesting: politics, tech, random world events. I pick a topic, tap into it, and then it usually comes down to a yes or no choice. Let's say I think something will happen. I hit yes, and enter how much I want to put in. The interface is pretty clean, so it doesn't feel overwhelming. After that, I confirm the bet, and that's it. I'm officially invested in my prediction. Quick tip: don't just click randomly like it's a game show. Take a second to read the details because sometimes the wording can be sneaky. It's fun, but yeah, your wallet definitely knows the difference. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.